All right, so my background is basil cardstock.
I am back!
And so I'm going to do a photo mat. All right, so the photo mats are Hip Kit Club's Make-A-Wish Fa La La. And I've been so crazy busy with this. I lost my laptop, broke, so I lost all my recordings to my videos. And so I have to redo all of these. So I've been crazy busy with distance learning. So, oh my gosh. I'm loving on my kitty. I was trying to get him to go, with no such luck. And I haven't even been able to scrapbook because all I've been doing my weekends, 7 days a week, 4 a.m. to 6 p.m. sometimes. I'm just going to mark where I need to cut the paper. And now he's on my paper. Oh my goodness. And then he likes to play with paper too. Oh boy. So sleepy. So I'm just gonna glue my layers down so they don't move on me. And oh, this is our tree that we put up. The card, actually, oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. The tag, do I have my water in here? Oh man, I drank it all. The tag I cut from a stencil, and it's cut from the reverse side of the Hip Kit Club's Make-A-Wish Fa La La. With all this, I meant riding the exercise bike. I need to go do that. So I'm going to put that in 2 places, and so I can make it look like it's 2 tags. And let's see. I never did that. So the tree layer is Hip Kit Club's Make-A-Wish or Christmas Tree. I guess I didn't do those paper layers. And the red floral layer is from Hip Kit Club's Make-A-Wish. I'm going to use those Waiting for Santa as Hip Kit Club's exclusive puffy stickers. And then I'm going to use these chipboard stickers, which are Hip Kit Club's exclusive chipboard stickers. And I don't do too much embellishing to this layout. So now Theo decides he needs a nap. I need to buy a new headset. My headset, you couldn't hear. They weren't working. So I pitched them, and I got to get new ones. I used my Bose over the wireless headphones, but you can hear every little noise. So they're not good for this.
I am back.
So I'm going to try to see.
That's you.
Oh, shh, I'm recording. All right, so then the die cuts are Hip Kit Club's Make-A-Wish as well. So I'm going to let you finish watching, and when I have more done, I'll be back with those.